Good morning, students from Standard 8 English Medium. Unit 3. It's a poem, Macavity, the Mystery Cat. I have already explained, means telling you the story of this poem. And yesterday completed what? Completed the MCQ and some of the short question answers. Now today I am going to explain the long question answers. Means short and long both question answers. Okay, so let's start. Yesterday I have completed the fourth question answer, and today continuing with fifth. Okay, this fifth. Which power of Macavity makes a fakir stare? The answer: Macavity floats in the air without support. This power of levitation makes even a fakir stare at Macavity. So, this Macavity, while committed a crime, he floats in the air and without support. So, only the fakir can do, magician can do. Do what? Fly in the sky, floats in the air. But here the Macavity also did it. So this fakir stared at the Macavity. Now number 6. What special feature of Macavity will help us recognize Macavity easily? How can we recognize this Macavity easily? With the what? Whose help? The answer is Macavity has deep set eyes. His eyes was deep set. His sunken eyes will help us recognize Macavity at once. So these sunken eyes will help us. Easily we can recognize this Macavity. So question number 7. How is Macavity's body built up? So listen, Macavity is ginger colored. Okay, his color is ginger. He is tall and thin. He has sunken eyes. His brow is deeply lined. His head is highly domed. So how can his body, talking about here body, his body, Macavity's color, how is the color? The color is ginger. He is tall and thin, cat, and eyes is sunken, deeply sink. His brow is deeply lined, and his head highly domed. Circle. Now question number 8. Is Macavity neat and clean? Describe his cleanliness or dirtiness. Macavity is not neat and clean. His coat is dusty and whiskers uncombed. He suffers from neglect. Macavity is not neat and clean. His coat, wearing a coat, is dusty, and his whiskers, mooch, is uncombed. So that is why he suffers from neglect, these neglections. So these are the small question of answers. Now comes to the long answer type questions. Number 1. What type of laws did Macavity break? What should we have been his fate according to the poet? Did Macavity suffer for his crimes? Answers. Macavity broke the human laws with impunity. The poet humorously remarks that Scotland Yard was after him but was never able to catch him. He gave a slip to the flying squad too because he could run faster than the flying squad. So see the answer. What? Macavity broke all the human law which is made by the human beings. Okay, and the poet in this poem, the poet says, humanly remarks. Which humanly remarks? Even the Scotland Yard, the police of the Scotland Yard was after him. The Scotland Yard police wanted to catch him, but they were never been caught. This cat. So this cat was never been caught by this policeman, Scotland Yard. Okay. he gave a slip to the flying squad too, because he could run faster than the flying squad. He runs the faster than the flying squad. That is why he was never caught by the flying squad. He broke the law of nature. He broke the law of nature. He could float in the air, thus defying the law of gravitation. This power of levitation would make even a fakir stare at him. So, see, he not only broke the law of human beings but also broke the law of nature through the flying in the air, floating in the air. He broke the gravitation, law of nature. While floating in the air, even the fakir can stare at him. However, Makaviti never suffered for his crimes. He was never found at the scene of crime, and there was never any proof against him. He was a master criminal. So this is why floating in the air, he never suffered while did his crime, and he was never found where at the scene of the crime. So there wasn't any proof against him to catch him. Why? Because he was a master criminal. Now let's see the second answer of the question is describe Makaviti after the poet T.S. Eliot. Now see, according to the T.S. Eliot, Makaviti is unique. According to whom? According to the poet. Who has written this poem? T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot said that Makaviti is unique. He is a master criminal. He never caught by the Scotland Yard. So he is a master criminal. He defies not only human laws but even the laws of nature. He means he broke the human laws as well as the laws of nature. The poet calls him a fiend in cat's body. Means devil in a cat's body. He is not a cat, but he is compared to devil. His greatest quality is that he is never found at the spot of crime. What is his quality? When he committed the crime, Scotland Yard, when that place, this cat never been found where at the spot of crime. He runs away from there before even the flying squad can reach. Then they may search him under the earth or in the air, but Makaviti will not be there. So, after this, what crime had been done it? When the flying squad can reach that place, this flying squad found this Makaviti under the earth or in the air, but this cat will not be found by the flying squad. Makaviti is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. His eyes are sunken and his forehead wrinkled. He has a big head which he sways from side to side. See, now talking about his body, how Makaviti's color, ginger cat. Okay, how tall and thin. He is very tall and thin. See, and talking about eyes. Eyes is sunken and forehead is wrinkled. So he has a big mustache, wrinkles, and he sways from side to side, looking side to side. So I hope you understand these small question answers and long question answers. Thank you.